Eagle, Idaho is home to a variety of window services that cater to both residential and commercial needs. Whether you're looking for window installation near Eagle, Idaho, or need Eagle window replacement, the local experts are ready to assist. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, Windows Eagle contractors provide top-notch services that include everything from window fitting Eagle to window cleaning services. Eagle, Idaho. For those interested in energy-efficient solutions, Eagle offers a range of energy-efficient Windows Eagle that can help reduce energy costs and improve the comfort of your home. The Eagle, Idaho residential window experts specialize in providing custom Windows Eagle that are tailored to meet the specific needs of your home. These professionals are well-versed in the latest window styles Eagle, ensuring that your home not only looks great, but also performs efficiently. Commercial window services Eagle, Idaho are essential for businesses looking to maintain a professional appearance. Eagle window solutions for commercial properties include everything from window glass Eagle to window frame installation, Eagle, Idaho. The Eagle, Idaho window contractors near me are experienced in handling large-scale projects and can provide the necessary expertise to ensure a successful outcome. With a focus on durability and aesthetics, commercial windows Eagle are designed to withstand the demands of a busy environment. If you're considering a window upgrade, Eagle Window Solutions offer a variety of options to choose from. The Eagle, Idaho window design experts can help you select the perfect window styles Eagle that complement your home's architecture. With a focus on both form and function, these experts ensure that your Windows Eagle are not only beautiful but also durable and efficient. Window maintenance Eagle is crucial for keeping your windows in top condition. Regular upkeep can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows. Eagle, Idaho window maintenance services include cleaning, sealing, and hardware installation. Window cleaning services. Eagle, Idaho ensure that your windows remain clear and free of debris, while window hardware installation Eagle, Idaho guarantees that all components are functioning properly. For those in need of more extensive replacements, Eagle, Idaho window replacement specialists are available to address any issues. For those in need of window replacement, Eagle, Idaho window replacement specialists are available to address any issues you may have. Whether it's a simple fix or a more complex problem, these professionals have the skills and experience to get the job done right. Affordable window replacement Eagle, Idaho ensures that you don't have to break the bank to keep your windows in top condition. Custom window designs. Eagle, Idaho are a popular choice for homeowners looking to add a personal touch to their homes. Eagle window design experts work closely with clients to create unique and stylish windows that reflect their individual tastes. From traditional to modern designs, the possibilities are endless with Eagle, Idaho custom window solutions. For those in need of window tinting Eagle, there are several Eagle, Idaho window tinting solutions available. Tinting can provide privacy, reduce glare, and protect your interiors from harmful UV rays. Eagle window experts can help you choose the right tinting options to meet your specific needs and preferences. Window hardware installation. Eagle, Idaho is another important aspect of window services. Proper hardware ensures the functionality and security of your windows. Eagle window hardware specialists can install and replace locks, handles, and other components to keep your windows operating smoothly. Eagle window glazing is a critical component of window performance. Window glazing experts can enhance the insulation and soundproofing of your Windows Eagle, making your home more comfortable and energy efficient. Whether you need single, double, or triple glazing, Eagle Window Solutions have you covered.